Some people are just crazy.
Sorry?
Some people are just crazy.
Yeah, they get. And you guys are gonna have to move in about.
Yeah.
Nikki, you're the man!
I'm with you, girl. Well, you know, we're gonna have a hard time getting out of the way.
I told my daughter, well, I probably got a few years on.
We're gonna have to go smoke.
No way.
You got to send me that.
Have you?
That was good. Huh? I can't hear you.
One more, guys, and then you need to move back.